Now here is one very unique video for you, in which today I'll be reviewing and comparing the diecast variant and the mini racer variant of Aaron Clocker, who's the next gen revolving racer from Cars 3. Now, keeping in mind, these are both the Thailand variants, and they're both from about the same time periods, about the same time as lockdown, be all thereabouts. It's interesting. Should be an extremely interesting video I have in store for you today. Let's get started. So, as you can see, the main differences between these two are the sizes. That's why this one's called the Mini Racer because he's mini, of course. Um, Still, there's a lot. Still, this one's a lot bigger. Than the standard diecast. You see, this is it's 1/56 scale, whereas this one it's probably like one. I don't know, 1/64 for or even something like 1/72 or something. I mean, yeah, I'm not 100% sure on that. I need to fact check. So let's have a closer look. So I mean, considering there's it's a lot smaller. Well, the mini racer, they've done an all right job with the expression on this car, and I mean, keeping it similar to the full size diecast. Of course, there's a few proportional differences. That's just think. With the overall mini racer, but for the size of this, the mini racer is just it's not too bad if you ask me. Same color eyes, you give or take the same expression. Less detail on the Mini Racer. You kind of expect that, to be honest. You're not really a lot I can do about that. Sides, how they look for the sides, fairly similar. And I'm not sure how well you can see on the screen, but there's a bit of detail within the main maroon background color, which on the Mini Racer, which is the same pattern as the regular diecast. Which fair play to Mattel for the the attention to detail. No offense, but you don't really get that within the Thailand variants. Normally they're less detailed. At least compared to the Chinese variants. Other than that, they've not done a bad job. Contingency sponsors, can you even see what it says there? The contingency sponsors. Can you? Well, not very clear, but I dropped it there. But yeah, there's still you can still tell they're there, just about. Here we are, same. Well, nothing much to comment on here. Yellow rookie stripes and number, and there's not exactly a lot to comment, as I just said. Hey, I've just noticed something on the Mini Racer, and that's the lack of window bars. Well, actually, there's not a lot of them, to be honest. A regular Aaron Clocker only has two of them, so yeah, not exactly like he's missing a lot. On the sides, nothing special. All the rims are different colours, if you haven't really noticed. The Mini Racer Aaron Clocker, he's silver, whereas the regular one's black. Well, his rims are, anyways. And overall, it's just wow. The attention. I know I sound like a broken record on this one, but the attention to detail on this is just on the mini racers, just incredible. Fair play to Mattel for doing an excellent job. Have a great day, folks.